If you think that you get stuck at the time of speaking English, if you think that your mind goes blank at the time of speaking English, if you think that if someone invites you to speak something on the stage, you start feeling nervous, so this video will be very helpful for you, because in this video I'll tell you 3 practical steps. You can use these steps and make your conversation fluent without getting stuck. Attend the video till the end, because this video is very helpful for you all. If you have any question regarding the content, regarding English, you can ask me, you can comment me on the comment box. So watch the video till the end. First of all, we need to know the reasons why people get stuck, why you get stuck at the time of speaking English. Reason number 1, think too much about grammar. When people start thinking too much about grammar, their fluency, their level of fluency goes down. So what you have to do at the time of speaking English, don't need to think about grammar. You have to focus on topic. Okay, what you have to do, you have to focus on content, not on grammar. Grammar takes time. You have to learn the concept of grammar gradually, side by side, but at the time of speaking you have to focus on content, on topic, on the story that you want to deliver to the public or to anyone. Okay, reason number 2, fear of making mistakes. Most of the people think that people will laugh at them, that's why they stop speaking English. So I am telling you here not to think about the people. People will laugh at you, let them laugh. You have to continue your practice without thinking about the people. If you think about the people, it means you are killing your growth. Reason number 3, lack of practice. Most of the people say that we can understand English, but we are not able to speak, that's why we don't practice daily. This is a wrong concept. People should start practicing daily. If you start practicing daily, if you practice daily at least 10 to 15 minutes, it will be very helpful for you to be fluent. So start practicing from today. Download the app Talk to Partners now and start practicing from today. And the reason number 4, mind goes blank at the time of speaking under pressure. Most of the people are able to speak whenever they don't have pressure, but at the time of pressure, at the time of under pressure, they aren't able to speak English fluently. They forget all the things. You know, the 3 above reasons are connected to the reason number 4. Now I am telling you step number 2, what mistakes people do at the time of getting stuck. It's very important. First try to understand, then I'll tell you solution. Okay, point number 1, people stop speaking. They keep themselves mum. They start saying that I don't know how to say, I don't know how to speak, and they end the conversation. They don't want to make any effort to continue the conversation. Point number 2, people keep themselves silent. Point number 3, people try saying I don't know English, how to say and how to speak, that's why they end the conversation. They don't want to make efforts to continue the conversation. And the point number 4, they switch to mother tongue. Think about it, all these mistakes are not good for making English fluent. To make English fluent, everybody needs to follow some solutions that I am telling you, right? Listen to me carefully. Most of the people and learners make the same mistakes. They stop their conversation rather than continue conversation. What you have to do here, I am telling you the solution. You don't need to stop your conversation. You have to follow the solution that I am telling you. Solution number 1, whenever you are stuck, you have to use time saving sentences. Time saving sentences will help you to get some time to think. You can say that, oh, it's a very good question. You can say that, let me think for a second, let me think for a minute. You can say that, I don't have more information about it, but I'm trying to speak something. This time saving sentences will give you time and confidence too. And second, what you have to do more, you have to ask a simple question back. What is it? Listen to me carefully. When someone asks you about some topic, you don't need to reply fully if you are not able to reply. If you are stuck, you have to ask a simple question back. How will you ask? You should say that, can you speak about it more? You can also say that, what do you think about it? Why do you think about it? You can also say that, what other people think about it? This simple back question will help you to make your conversation continuous. And third, very important solution, you have to use small sentences. You have to use easy vocabularies. Most of the students, most of the learners start using complex sentences, start using difficult vocabularies. These are the killer of confidence. So you don't need to use difficult vocabularies and long sentences. Most of the people say that advanced vocabularies will give you confidence. It's a myth. Advanced vocabularies will not give you confidence. First, you need to start. Your starting phase, your starting time will give you confidence. Your long conversation will give you confidence. And fourth, you don't need to think to speak perfectly. Nobody is perfect in this world. Everybody is making mistake. So if you are making mistakes, you don't need to think, you don't need to worry about it. You have to try again and again. You have to keep practicing for a long, and you need to consume content side by side. I really assure you, if you follow these steps, you will have good command over English within a particular time. Now I am suggesting you to download Talk to Partners app and start practicing from today. Don't wait. Share this video to the needy learners. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for joining us. Take care of you and your loving family. Jai Hind.